Alright guys, welcome to Aptech Crypto Insights. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you why you keep losing money as a crypto investor. Why you keep losing money as a crypto investor. So if this is the first time of you landing here, make sure you tap the notification bell or you also subscribe so that you can be getting latest videos like this as soon as I drop them. Have you been losing money while other people are making money and doing good things for themselves, but you as an investor, as a crypto investor, you are losing money instead? If that's the case, these are the 7 possible reasons why you keep losing money as a crypto investor. So make sure you follow up this video to the end so that you see what to do and what not to do in the crypto space, because crypto is a very volatile market. So if you are doing something wrongly, you will lose money instead of making money in the crypto space. So the number 1 possible reason why people lose money, or why you lose money in the crypto market, is that you invest blindly. Instead of investing wisely, you are investing blindly. How? You don't do thorough research before investing in any project. Making money is not easy, so before you invest, you need to make sure that you are sure of what you're investing in. Make sure you are sure of what. Don't just jump on any project because an influencer talks about it or because you see people entering it. No, make your own research. Know if that project is project that will last for a long time, so you know what to do, when to take a profit, or if you need to keep that project or that certain cryptocurrency for a long time. So investing blindly will make you lose money. So don't just invest blindly. Make sure you check white papers of any cryptocurrency you want to buy. Check their website. If a certain cryptocurrency doesn't have a website, that means they are not even serious. So don't even bother to jump on them except you want to take that risk. But always make sure you check their website, check what they have to offer in future, check their white paper, know what they will offer, the use cases of that certain cryptocurrency, so that you know if you need to buy them or how much should you invest in such crypto projects. So instead of just jumping on any project, download their white paper, check what they have to offer. Will they offer an exchange in future? What will be the use case? Or do they have any good marketing plan for this cryptocurrency? So, and so on and so forth. So make sure you check their white paper to know what they will offer. Another thing is that you are impatient. You invest $1,000 today, the next moment you see $900, you see $950, you see $850, and you decide to exit the market at loss. One thing you should know in the crypto space is, before investing, is that crypto is not a get rich quick scheme. Crypto is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not Ponzi. So when coming in as an investor in the crypto space, make sure that you are willing to invest your money and wait for a certain amount of time before you can have profit, before your money, your investment will start yielding profit for you. So after doing your thorough research on a certain project, put in your money and give it time for it to yield result. Don't just put in money, then you'll be checking your wallet every year and then. Though there are some projects that you need to be monitoring them, their charts from time to time, but making good research is what will help you to know if this project is a project that I should be monitoring every time, so that whenever the profit comes or whenever the price goes up, I'll now take off my money, or should I keep it for long term? So you need to be patient in the crypto space. If you are not patient, you lose money, and don't be surprised, the very moment you decide to take away your profit, that's when the price will skyrocket. So that's how it happens, and you regret it. So number 3 reason why people lose money is that you are too careful. You don't want to lose money, and it turned out to be that you are even losing money at the end. So if you are too careful, you don't make money in the crypto space. You see a certain new project that just got launched, and people are saying, oh, you are even the one that is saying scam, because that's not the way that project, or that's not the way cryptocurrency is known for. For instance, when SafeMoon, FEG, and Shiba and other ones were flooding the internet early this year, early 2021, a lot of people were saying that SafeMoon is scam, and all those other ones, they are saying that the supply is too many. supply is too many that they are scam. But looking at this project offers has what they call tokenomics. They burn every transactions. It keeps burning. The supply of that currency keeps burning during every transaction. I want that out. So if this project or this certain currency keeps burning on every transaction and also redistributing to people that are holding, it's a good project. So I invested what I can afford to lose. I invested in some of those projects, and a lot of people that say that that project is scam, that those projects were scam, they are even trying to buy now that the project has gone to has done even over 100 times. So when you check or when you do your research about any cryptocurrency project, look for a spare money that you can afford to lose and invest in that project. Don't just sit down and say that is a scam, then you now want to buy at the top. So the best way to make money in cryptocurrency is to enter the market when others are not yet in, when the big investors are not yet in. So you make sure you enter the market at that time. But when you enter the market, when the market has been saturated, everybody has now entered the market, so you lose money. So when everybody are now coming into the market, that's when you should leave. That's when you should exit, take your first profit. So that's how crypto is being done. Now another thing is that you're afraid to buy the dip. You're always afraid to buy dip. Instead, you keep buying green candles. So whenever there is a dip, that's always the best opportunity to buy. But in most cases, most people don't want to invest that time. Most people don't want to buy when there is a dip. They always want to. They feel they have the FOMO habits. They want to enter the market when the price is skyrocketing. They now say, "Oh, let me enter now so that I will make profit." But that's not how it's supposed to be done. You enter the market when there is a dip. Then, when the price pumps to the top, you sell and make your profit. Another thing is that you are too greedy. You invested $100, $200, $500 in a certain project, and it has done for you 2 times, 5 times of your investment. You don't want to take your profit. You still want 50 times, 100 times. Before you sleep one night, then wake up to see that everything has gone down. So if you are too greedy to take your profit, you lose money. You always sell at loss. So always take your profit when you are happy. Take your profit, remove your money when you feel like, when you've seen your profit, try and remove your money. Then you can leave a little amount of what you can afford to lose inside. Then just forget about it for long term. But always take profit when it's necessary. Then another thing that makes people to lose money in the crypto market is that they think that every day is profit day. Every day the crypto market needs to give them profit every day. No, that's not how crypto has season. It has bear and bull season. So in a bear season, you don't expect to make profit in any project. Almost 95% of the projects wouldn't give you wouldn't give you profit. So even if projects that are launched, let's say 30 minutes ago, can still be giving you loss. So I've seen a project that once the project has launched, the candle is reading red. Everything is going down. So when during a bear market, you don't expect to make profit. Just make sure that you convert your money to USDT, or you keep them, don't touch them, or you trade futures, Binance futures. You can just use Binance futures. For those that doesn't know how to trade Binance futures, I've explained everything on how to trade Binance futures. I'll also explain it here later on in our Telegram group, t.me/aptecrypto. You can check. I've explained A to Z on how to trade Binance futures. So anything you sell during a dip will give you profit if you are trading Binance futures. So don't think every day is profit day. When you have the mindset that every day you need to make profit on crypto, you lose money. So when there is a bear market, just have patience for the market to return back. If you want to force yourself into the market, you lose money. So knowing when to invest and when not to invest is another wisdom entirely in the crypto space. So always make sure that you know when to enter the market and when not to enter the market. Then another thing is that you are not following market trends. That's another very important thing in the crypto space. So always make sure that You follow what's happening in the crypto market. You follow what's going on. So don't just put in your money and then go back and relax like that. No. Follow on Twitter. Follow the a certain cryptocurrency project you've invested in. Follow them on Twitter. See what they are saying. In fact, turn on notification for them so that you can be seeing their tweet. Know what they are doing. Know what's going on, so that you know when the market wants to dismiss and everybody wants to go home. So you know you can take out your money. Also follow market news, what's happening in the crypto space. For instance, last month I published a post about Chinese government banning activities of miners, Bitcoin miners. That there is a punishment for Bitcoin miners in China. China is the biggest crypto market in the world. So for Chinese government to ban mining activity and other stuff, it affects the market a lot. So news like this do causes deep, causes a bear market. So always make sure that you follow what's happening in the crypto space, the good news and the bad news, so that you know when to put money, when to remove your money, and when not to put money. And that's one important reason why I created this channel, so that I can be dropping latest informations in the crypto space, what's happening, what's going on, what you should do and what you shouldn't do in the crypto space. So do what to turn on the notification button, and also like this video if you add value. Then also drop a comment if you add value. Drop a comment before you leave, so that I will know, okay, you add value. Then do you have any recommendation why people lose money, or why you think people lost money in their crypto investment? Do what to drop all of them in the comment section.